Okay, this video is going to be on dot plots. A dot plot is simply a graphic display of data using dots. There's a few terms we need to know before we can get started. The first one is mean. Mean is also known as average. You might have heard average, but basically what this is you add up all the numbers and then you divide by the total. And we'll see that in a minute. Do some examples. Another one you need to make sure you know is median. And median, of course, is the middle number. Okay. For this, you are going to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. And then you're just going to mark off so you get the middle. If you have two numbers in the middle, you add, and then you divide by 2. Then I have my mode, which is numbers, number or numbers occurring most. You can have more than one mode. And then, of course, we have range, which is your highest number minus your lowest number. Now that we have these terms identified and defined, we need to look at a dot plot. So here's my example of a dot plot. It's number of push-ups. So we have 30, there's 130, 131, 4 on 32, 2 on 33, 1 on 34, and 5 on 35. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find our mean. So what we're going to do for that is just add up our numbers. So you are going to put in there, let me do my calculator. So you're just, have the calculator with me, you're just going to add those up. So in my calculator, I'm going to put 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. I added 32 4 times because there's 4 dots above the 32. Plus 33 plus 33 plus 34. And then plus 35 plus 35, 35, 35, and 35. And that's 5 times because, again, there's 5 dots. So my total was 464. Now I need to count how many dots there are, and that's what I'm going to divide by. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14 people that were surveyed that did push-ups. So I have 464 divided by 14, which gives me 33.1428571. I'm just going to round to the nearest hundredth, so 33.14. That would be my mean. Now for median, I need to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start, I have 30, 31. Again, there's 432, so I'm going to write 32 4 times. 33 twice. 34 and 35 5 times. Let's see if I can get that in there. I'm going to have to move this over just a little bit to make some more room. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now I'm going to find my median, and I just start counting down. So I start crossing out from left to right. I have two numbers. So I'm going to add those up. 33 plus 33 gives me 66. Divide that by 2 gives me 33. So my median is 33. Then I'm looking for my mode. Which number occurs most? Well, that would be 35, because 35 has 5 different people could do 35 push-ups. And that was the most. And then, of course, my range is the most, the highest number minus the lowest number. So I'd have 35 minus 30, which would give me 5. If I want to create a dot plot, I would do the same thing. So let's say I have a set of numbers. Let's just say this is number of siblings. So I have, the first person said they have 5 siblings. 2, 0, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1. So now, in order to create a dot plot, I'm going to draw a number line. And it needs to go from 0 to at least 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can erase part of my number line. There we go. And then I'm just going to look. I have 5, so I'm going to put a dot on 5. 2, a dot on 2. 0, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1. And that's how you would create it. I'd put number of siblings in here. And of course, you can still find the same thing. So I'd have my mode here would be 2 and 3, because there's 2 modes. There's, oh, I'm sorry, not 2. It'd be 1 and 3. There's 2 on 1 and 2 on 3. My range would be 5 minus 0, which would equal 5. My mean, I'm going to add that up. So I'm going to have 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives me 19. And I'm going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So 19 divided by 8 gives me 2.375, so I'm going to say 2.38. And then my median is my middle number, so I can just cross out my dots here. Oh, I have 2 and 3, so 2 plus 3 gives me 5. Divide that by 2, I'd have 2.5 for my median. This is simple.